Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I pack for my holidays. Now it's actually really late in the evening, so I'm not gonna be like really loud. There are probably people sleeping already, so I just don't want to disturb them. So yeah, I'll try to be as quiet as I can, but hopefully you'll hear me. I mean, it's not like I'm shouting, it's okay. I think it's okay, so yeah. If there's gonna be a problem, they'll probably knock, so until then I think I'm okay. But yeah, I really wanted to show you guys what I actually take with me on my holidays. Although me and my boyfriend are going tomorrow, although we're not getting like up really early. We're gonna get up at, I don't know, 8 a.m. and then, you know, drink some coffee and then eat breakfast and then get ready and just go. So we'll be there till Thursday, and then if all goes to the plan, we'll go to the sea for the weekend to have a little swim, one last swim, and then straight back to reality, to our jobs. But yeah, I think I'll just start now so I can just get this over with. I mean, it's like I'm really happy to go, but it's like the worst part for me is choosing what I should wear. So it's like there are a lot of options. Like like dinner, swimming, obviously swimsuit, bathing, swimsuit, bikinis. Yeah, that's like easy. But then you have like, you know, a night out, a dinner, maybe get together with some friends, and you're like, what should I wear? And then I always pack like extra clothes just in case, you know, I don't want to mess something up. I don't know, man, I'm just always used to packing like extra stuff just in case, you know. Better safe than sorry. That's what I always say, always. So I think oh Jesus, the first thing I am not gonna forget are my pajamas. This is actually what I need, like ASAP. I can't, without that I just can't. And here comes the hard, although, you know, I'm gonna take like the easy parts now. So yes, I have pajamas, and we'll go, we'll go straight up to my bikinis. Let me turn around. We got some shoes here. So my bikinis are way up here, right? So I'm gonna choose these ones. These are from Fashion Nova. I love these ones, I really do. I bought them, no, it wasn't last year. It was 2 years ago. I think it was 2 years ago I bought them. So I'm gonna have these. I always take them with me wherever I go. Then I have these ones from H&M. I love them as well. You've probably seen this in my, if you watched my vlog from Italy, you've seen these and the other ones. I have them both. So I'm gonna take these ones. The yellowy ones. Oh, I love these ones. Ooh, they're from Xoxo. I bought them, I think, like 3 years ago, I think. That's all I'm gonna take. Then we shall not forget, oh my gosh, no, I'm not gonna go to the shoes because that'll take me a lifetime. Let me just turn you around. There we go. So, one important thing I should take, let me think about it. And in the meantime, I just want to talk to you guys about the workout I just did. Oh my god, that was I had in my all day I had in my mind that I'm gonna do like a lower body workout today, but then me and my boyfriend and some friends went out for a walk, and we were like more than an hour, I think, or 2 hours. We were out for 2 hours, taking my shorts. Yeah, we went for like 2 hours, and then I was way too tired to do anything. And then I thought, maybe I should, I'm just taking my shorts now, just so you know. And then I thought, oh Jesus, I cannot do an hour-long workout. I just didn't have the energy. I was way too tired. And then I remembered there is an AMRAP workout, if you don't know what that is. So that is like, it's like similar to HIIT workout. You have like 6 exercises. I mean, at least I had 6 exercises. You can have 4, 5, 6, maybe even more. I used 6. And then you go from first to last, back to back. You do that 20 minutes with no rest. And then you try to do as many rounds as possible. Jesus, that was, I was tripping. That was such a good workout. It took me just like 20 minutes, but I did way more than I did in my previous workouts. I mean, I was used to doing like, you know, a normal HIIT workout, and I think my body got kind of used to that. And then I really wanted to, you know, kind of do something to just change it up a bit, you know, to add something more. Then I did the AMRAP, and god damn, I don't remember the last time I was sweating so much. I really don't, but it felt so good. Really, it was amazing. Also, yes, that's what I wanted to say. But also, now I actually want to talk to you where I'm going with my boyfriend. So it's just me and my boyfriend, nobody else. And we're gonna go to the, no, I can't actually. We are gonna be at the hotel here in our country. We're gonna be there till Thursday, as I said. And then we have, we did choose like a really extra hotel, and I'm gonna tell you why in a second. The room is really big and we kind of got everything. I honestly, to be really honest with you guys, I would never choose that like by myself. But since the coronavirus started, it was more of like everything was going down when it started, as you all probably know, obviously. I'm just taking some jeans. Gosh, I forgot the name. What our country decided was to give like each and every one of us, I gotta find the right word for that. It's like the it's gonna sound funny, it's gonna sound really funny, but they kind of decided to give us like a gift card. It's not exactly a gift card, but similar to that. Like, I can't find the right word, I'm so sorry. But yeah, they all decided to do that. And the amount of the gift card is actually like rounded up to $200. Each and every one of us living here. So my parents and my boyfriend parents decided to give us the card, which basically means we have 200, each of us 200, which is $400, and then my mom 200, my dad 200, his dad 200, and his mom 200, which all kind of ends up to $1,200. So that's why we decided to just, you know, use all of the money that we have and just, you know, choose like a really good hotel, go somewhere really nice, enjoy everything, have a bit of a massage, and then a bath, and I think that we have like a sweet surprise. It literally says sweet surprise for 2. So I have no idea what's waiting for us, but I am so excited. That's why I can't sleep. I'm packing in the middle of the night. I'm just excited. I could do that in the morning, but no, I decided to do it now. I just can't sleep, guys. I gotta do that. Like, I think, you know, with the clothes, it's always been like a problem. I never knew what should I wear. But yeah, okay. moving on. So yeah, I'm really excited to do that. I don't know how it is in other countries, but we do have that. Like, as I said, it's not actually like a gift card. Like, you're not getting the money. It's not like in the paper, if you know what I mean. You just have to get them your passport, and then it's like your money. Oh gosh, it's really complicated. It's like your money is visible from your passport, if that makes any sense. I hope it does. But yeah, they can see that. Also, you can give your gift card to the members of your family, but not to everyone. So more of like a daughter, son, a sister, brother, mom, dad, grandpa, grandma, that's all. So yeah, this is quite exciting. I just can't wait. I literally said to my boyfriend when we came from Italy, by the way, I miss Italy so much, I just want to go back. And I said to him like, oh my god, we gotta do a reservation like ASAP, because there won't be any available terms. So I did it as quickly as possible, like immediately when I came home. And yeah, it's done. Yes, so tomorrow we're going, and the next video up will be this one. No, not this one, but you know, the one from our holidays, our second holidays. I think I'm gonna do that like every year when I'm on my holidays. Are you gonna see me if I go down? Yeah. I think I'm gonna do that like every holiday from now on. Like, I'm gonna go to like at least 2 places. I'm not gonna do all the packing now because I still have like no idea what to wear. I just decide that in the middle of packing is when I decide. Oh, the one important thing that I forgot when I went to Italy was my kimono. I literally love my kimono and I forgot it. This is my kimono. You know, when I wear my bikinis, I just put my kimono on. It looks so good. And I forgot my kimono for Italy. I was so mad. You know what? I think I'm gonna go for this one. I think I'm gonna choose this one when we go out. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one with me. This is like a bodycon dress. I got this one from Shein and I really love it. I'm gonna take my leather jacket for sure. I always take my leather jacket wherever I go. So this is gonna be a yes. We're gonna this one. Should I take anything else? No, I'm not gonna take anything from here. So it says, and I quote, females are strong as hell. Because we are. God damn it, we are. I'm gonna take that one. And then this one is also nice. I haven't worn this one in a while. I think I'm gonna do it this time. It's, oh, you can't even see, I'm sorry. It's really cute. Like a little blue top. I love it. I'm gonna take this one with me. So I'm gonna take this one as well because I can just, oh, I love the sign here. What does it say? Life is for deep kisses, strange adventures and rambling conversations. I love this shirt. It's like a bit open at the side. So I'm gonna take this one as well. I love this one. This is a really cute one, but whoo! Love this one. I'm gonna take this one as well. And what else should I take? We're going with our car, obviously. So we're gonna have like a little road trip. It's not gonna take us long. It's gonna take us probably like 2 hours to drive there. So not much, like short but sweet. Although this is not really finished. Like I may take something tomorrow as well from here. I always hated that. Oh my god, I'm getting so tired already. It's about time actually. I'm taking these leggings tomorrow, so this is for our road trip. I'm gonna just take these ones and then I'll take this one, the blacky one. I'm gonna take this for our road trip tomorrow. That's what I'm gonna do. You know what? That's all I'm gonna do today. Tonight. I'll see what I'll do tomorrow in the morning. I'm not gonna film it with you guys because it's gonna be really hectic and I just don't want to be like everywhere because I know I'll forget something. So I just wanted to do like this little video here with you, like trying to pack some stuff. Although as you can see I didn't do much, I just, you know, picked up some of my clothing. That's it actually. But I always do that. I usually do that like late in the evening. I choose my clothes and then in the morning I just add the things that I always write the stuff on my list so I don't forget anything. So I have stuff written on the list, so I'll do that in the morning. But yeah, that is all from me today. I do have like a pile of clothes there, so I think that's enough for like the first round. But yeah, I'm gonna love you and leave you now. I think I'll go to bed really soon now because I'm actually feeling a bit tired. And I really hope you kind of joined you. I can't talk. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope, well, it probably wasn't helpful as much, but I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna go take a nap soon because I'm actually really tired. I kind of have to fix my nails also. And yes, the next vlog will be, yeah, it's gonna be a vlog. And it's gonna be from the holidays that I'm going to now. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And also, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media. And I will hopefully see you in my next vlog, which I'm so excited about. So hopefully I'll see you there. So until then, stay safe, you guys. Bye.